Hi everyone, I'm Marcus. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to go through a interior bulb replacement, replacing the incandescent bulb with an LED bulb. I've done the cargo, this light back here, I've done that already. But today I'm actually going to go through the side steps on our vehicle. They've got two on each side, and this is essentially the replacement. So it's what they call a T10 LED. There's 12. You can see the little squares there. Those are the actual LEDs. They're what they call a 330, so they're quite high performing. They pump out a lot of lumens, and that is something to keep in mind if you are looking at these bulbs. They're not all created equal. These ones, there's no sort of polarity on them. You can put them in any which way and they should work. The only thing to keep in mind is they are a little bit longer than a lot of the bulbs you're probably replacing. I haven't had an issue, as I said, with the interior light on our vehicle, but that's something just to keep in mind. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and try and put this in, and we'll see how we go. All right, I'm now below my vehicle, and I'm just showing you essentially the bulb that's in there right now that I'm about to replace. Okay, so it's in my case, it's a clockwise rotation. And rather than taking this lens off and undoing these bolts, I can just pop it out from the top, which is a great tip I got off one of the Facebook groups. You can see the bulb there, and I'm just gonna remove it, hopefully without too much trouble. Okay, so there's the bulb. It's coming out. Okay, and now going in with my replacement T10 LED. Straight back into that slot, hopefully without too much trouble. Make sure I've got it lined up the right way. There we go. Hold on. Yep, that should go in. Okay, that is it. So it does stick out a bit further, but that's okay. Should be able to go right back in where it came from. Now, just to get the alignment back. It's a little bit finicky. Not that difficult, but once you get it slotted in, there we go. Just got to keep it turned right around and then turn it counterclockwise. And I'm just going to open the door now, make sure it's working. Okay, there you go. I think you can see right away, obviously we've got a lot more light pumping out now. And these, because they've got the side LEDs and the four at the bottom, it pumps out light in a few different directions, which is kind of nice. Anyway, that's it, guys. We'll see how we go, but easy enough to do. Took very little time. And there's a lot of extra light, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna go around and do the rest of the vehicle. Okay guys, it's just showing you the LED output now coming from those bulbs that we put in earlier. Okay, there's the bulbs. So yeah, I'm quite impressed comparatively to the previous bulbs that were in there. And I said I was gonna show you the cargo space. So just a view, the amount of output those put out. Okay, compared to the original bulbs, which are still at the front of the vehicle. Okay, it's a real significant difference. All right, so that concludes my review of the LED bulb replacement for your vehicle, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.